Kurunji Senior Secondary School, CBSE, Namakkal.
Successful result producing school in state every year.
Administered by the Board of Directors with over 35 years of experience in the teaching field.
Special attention on art, craft, music, dance, silambam, yoga, skating and karate.
Focus on Hindi Sabha and Spell Bee Olympiad exams.
Smart class for effective and innovative learning and well-furnished library.
Solitary importance on sports and games in state and national level.
WhatsApp facilities to know activities of students and school inside the campus.
NEET, JEE, IIT coaching experts from Rajasthan and Andhra Pradesh along with our effective teachers.
Admission registration for classes LKG to +2.
Kurunji Educational Institution, Kavetipatti, Namakkal. Admission in progress. CBSE, KG to 12, contact 9025895176. Metric 6 to 12, contact 9344567484. For online admission, log on to www.kurunjischoolnkl.in.
Good morning, students. In this session, we are going to discuss the last and final chapter from the 12th standard physical chemistry, that is chemical kinetics. So it is a very important and interesting chapter in the physical chemistry, especially this chapter very deals with regarding to rate of the reactions. So in this class we are going to discuss the complete information about the chemical kinetics. So chapter name is the chemical kinetics. Introduction. What is a chemical kinetics? Chemical kinetics is the branch of chemistry that deals with the following factors. Chemical kinetics is the branch of the chemistry that deals with the following factors. Number 1, rate of the reaction. Number 2, factor influencing the rate of the reactions. And number 3, reaction mechanism. So chemical kinetics chapter very clearly to be explained rate of the reaction, how the reactant converted into product. So what is the rate of the reaction? The complete information we will explain the chemical kinetics chapter. The second important, what factors are influencing the rate of the reaction? What factors are influencing the rate of the reaction? And third one, reaction mechanism. Reaction mechanism. What kind of the reaction mechanism? Whenever reactant converted into the product, what kind of the reaction mechanisms are involved? The complete information is present in the chemical kinetics. It deals with three major important part: rate of the reaction, factors influencing the rate of the reaction, reaction mechanism. And one more important point, the word kinetic is derived from, the word kinetics is derived from Greek word, it's nothing but kinesis, which means momentum. Kinesis, which means momentum, it's nothing but the reactant, how their momentum to the product side. The information is taught by the chemical kinetics. That's why the word is derived from, the word kinetic is derived from Greek word, it's nothing but kinesis. The word is nothing but kinesis, which means momentum. And another important point, thermodynamics tells about only feasibility of chemical reactions, whereas the chemical kinetics tells about the velocity of the reactions. So according to thermodynamics rules and regulation, the thermodynamics tells about only feasibility. So feasibility means possible, the feasibility of the chemical reaction, whereas chemical kinetics tells about the velocity of the reaction, velocity of the reactions. So this is the most important point. Next one, examples. thermodynamic data indicates that diamond shall be converted to graphite, but in the reality point of view, the conversion rate of the diamond into the graphite is very slow, that the changes is not perceptible at all. So very important point, first of all, the thermodynamic data indicates that diamond shall be converted to graphite, but reality the conversion rate is also very slow, that the change is not perceptible to all, So another important point enna, kinetic studies not only help us to determine the speed or rate of the chemical reaction, but also describe the conditions by which the reaction rate can be altered. So one more time I repeated the same important point. Kinetic studies not only help us to determine the speed or rate of the chemical reaction, but also describe the conditions by which the reaction rate can be altered, and based on the velocity of the chemical reaction, the reactions are classified into mainly three types. Based on the velocity of the chemical reaction, rate of the velocity. So based on the velocity of the chemical reaction, the reactions are classified into three types. Number one, very fast reaction or instantaneously reactions. Very fast reaction and very slow reaction and moderated reactions. So there are three different type of the reactions are there based on the chemical velocity in the chemical kinetics. Number one, very fast reaction, very slow reaction and moderated reactions. Very fast reaction, very slow reaction and moderated reactions. So the first one is the very fast reaction. In our day-to-day life, in our nature, the chemical reactions are mainly three types. Very fast reaction, very slow reaction, moderated reactions. The first one, very fast reaction. What is the very fast reaction? The chemical reaction which are completed within the fractions of second. So the chemical reactions which are completed within the fractions of second are called very fast reaction. So some chemical reaction completed within fraction of seconds. You know that very well. Molecular bombs and the chemical reaction is completed within a fraction of seconds. So the chemical reaction which are completed within the fraction of the seconds are called very fast reaction. The first best example, neutralizations between the acids and strong. One acid or base are connected together, it's to form salt. It is nothing but neutralization reaction. Neutralization reaction is one acid or base are connected together to form neutralized compound. It is nothing but salt is formed. For example, the best example, NaOH HCl. So NaOH is a base, HCl is a acid. So whenever combine this both one, it is the fastest chemical reaction. It can easily to produce the immediately salt and water. That's why it is considered as the very fastest reaction. Base and acid, NaOH and HCl. So NaCl and water molecule. And one more example is sodium chloride with AgNO3, silver nitrate. This is also very fast chemical reaction. Whenever silver nitrate treated with NaCl to form silver chloride or sodium nitrate. nitrate. Because of this chemical reaction completed within fraction of second. Not only this reaction, there are lot of the chemical reactions are very fastest reaction in the laboratories, and it fastly completed rate of the reaction. It fastly completed rate of the reaction. And one more best example na, explosives of TNT, trinitrotoluene. So trinitrotoluene is the highly explosive product. Within fraction of second it's completed the entire chemical reaction. Subhanis, don't rough. Okay ma, already I roughed off one column. Okay, so that is the very fastest reaction. So very fastest reaction means adi Subhanis sir already copied the எனக்கு ரஃப். அன்ஃபார்ச்சுனேட்லி ஐ ரஃப் தட் ஃபஸ்ட் காலம். சார் கிளாஸில் இருக்குது, இப்போ தான் ஐ காப்பிடு தட் ஒன். நெக்ஸ்ட் ரைட் பண்ணணும். நெக்ஸ்ட் கிளாஸ் இருக்குது சார். ஓகேண்ணா, ஸ்டார்ட் ஆயிடுச்சா? செக் பண்ணு. ஓகேம்மா, நவ் தட் இஸ் கால்ட் வெரி ஃபாஸ்ட் ரியாக்ஷன்ஸ். Very fast reactions. So in our day-to-day life, there are different type of very fastest reactions are there. For example, crackers. Crackers is also belongings to the very fastest reaction. Now base and acid to form NaCl and water also. NaCl and water also, it is a very fastest reaction. And NaCl and AgNO3, NaCl AgNO3 also one of the best fastest chemical reactions da. And explosive of TNT, trinitrotoluene, highly explosive compound within completed chemical reaction within fraction of seconds da. So this is called very fast reaction or instantaneously reactions da. Second one, moderated reaction. Moderated reaction, the chemical reaction which are completed in measurable time are called moderated reaction. So what is a moderated reaction na? The chemical reaction which are completed either minutes or hours, minutes da. So that's why we say the chemical reactions which are completed in the measurable time are called moderated reaction. So one chemical reaction completed within 2 minutes to hours below that is called moderately reaction. This kind of the reactions take in time hours or minutes da. The best example is the inversions of cane sugar. Now here C12H22O11 with water molecule to form C6H12O6 plus C6H12O6. This is the preparations of the glucose and fructose in the cane sugar industry. So it is a moderated reaction na, it is completed within hours or minutes, within hours and minutes da. So this is called inversions of the sugar cane. And one more important example for the moderated reaction, combustions of hydrogen coal under normal condition. Hydrogen reacted with half moles of the oxygen to give water molecule. This is also moderately reaction. It is not completed within fraction of second. It is completed within hours da. So that's why inversions of the sugarcane reaction, even water preparations method from the combustions of hydrogen under the coal normal condition, also the best examples of the moderated reaction. And one more example of the moderated reaction, decompositions of hydrogen peroxide. So this is also the best example of the moderated reaction, hydrogen peroxide, water plus oxygen. So it is a decomposition of hydrogen peroxide. It is the best examples of the moderated reactions. So what is the moderated reaction? The chemical reactions which are completed within measurable time, that is called moderated reaction. Now last and final reactions, very slow reactions. The chemical reactions which completed in very long time are called very slow reaction. So the chemical reaction which completed in very long time are called very slow reactions. For example, in our day-to-day life, iron piece is kept into the outside of the atmosphere. The iron piece rusted. It's a long time of the duration, at least 3 months or 4 months. This is the best example for the very slow reactions. So example is the rusting of iron in the presence of the air. Example 4Fe plus 3O2 plus XH2O. So in the presence of oxygen and the presence of moisture conditions of atmosphere, iron reacted, hence to form rusting. That is formula 2Fe2O3 and XH2O. So rusting. It is a very slow chemical reaction. It's completed within 2 months or 3 months. More long time taken. So this kind of the reaction is taken more long time. This is the very slow reaction. There are lot of the very slow reactions are present in our day-to-day life. So that there are 3 major important reactions are there based on the velocity of the reactions. Number 1, very fast reaction, very slow reaction, moderated reactions. The very fast reaction is nothing but it is completed within fraction of second. Moderated reaction it is completed measurable timing. This chemical reaction is completed is a measurable timing. And very slow reaction this type of the chemical reactions are completed very slowly, more than 1 month or more than 2 months. So these are the types of the chemical reaction based on the velocity. Now rate of the reaction. Or one more example from the very slow reaction, fermentations of sugar in the presence of yeast bacteria. You know, fermentations of the sugar. So fermentations of the sugar to give ethyl alcohol. It is a longest process. Here you can use the yeast bacteria. Yeast produced 2 different type of the enzymes, invertase and gymase. So basically first one, sugar cane, it is nothing but sucrose. They are converted into glucose and fructose in the presence of invertase enzyme. And after that, the gymase enzyme, the glucose molecule, they are converted into ethyl alcohol. Glucose molecule converted into ethyl alcohol. This is also very slow reaction. Next one, rate of the reaction. So what is the rate of reaction? Rate of reaction defined as the changes in concentrations of the reactant or product per unit time. So rate of the reaction enna changes of concentrations of the reactant and product. Ipo reactant concentrated changes or increases the product concentrations. So that is the rate of the reaction. That is called rate of the reaction. Rate of the reaction is defined as the change in concentrations of the reactant or product per unit time, it is always positive quantity, where DC means changes in concentration in the small interval time. Positive sign positive time is used when you refer for the product concentration. Negative sign is used when we refer for the reactant concentration. So reactant concentration converted into the product concentration to represent a negative sign. So after that, the positive sign is converted into negative sign, that is called positive sign. So units of rate of reaction. Mole liter inverse, time inverse. Mole liter inverse and time inverse. And average rate of the reaction. The rate of the reaction over a certain measurable period of the time during the course of reactions is called average rate of the reaction. Average rate of the reaction, it is denoted by the small r. So for the reaction A to B, A2 minus A1 by T2 minus T1, delta A by delta T. Delta A by delta T. Here A1 is a concentration of reactant, A at time A2 concentrations of the reactant, A at time T2. So in my next class, we are going to discuss another important concept in the chemical kinetics. Okay ma? Good.